It's time for another food review on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. Enter at your own risk. It's not dangerous. It's just delicious. Starting now.
And darling, where do we go?
Welcome to the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. It's your boy Jesse the Jackhammer. It's time for another food review here on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So, I'm doing a food review by myself, only me. Everybody's asleep on this chicken. It's barbecue chicken. I heard their wings is very awesome, very delicious, very juicy. I love celery. It's my favorite thing. So, we're gonna get started. Oh my God. Oh wow. Wow. If I ever come to your house, please have celery ready with peanut butter on it. I love it. Look how big that chicken is. That's a humongous piece. My God. That one blazed fire on my back. Yeah, I am red. Majorly red. Very good. Awesome. Look at that. That chicken. Barbecue on it. Man. I'm gonna get full. I got 3 pieces left. I gotta do one thing, guys. I have to do this. Thumbnail. Alright guys, sorry about that. Man. Alright, so I ate that whole chicken wings. Every bit of it. Even the celery. I love celery. So if I ever come to your house, have celery on peanut butter. My favorite. So that was awesome. That was delicious. Oh my God, hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. I blew all the way twice. So, that was awesome. That was delicious. Yes, I would eat it again. And again, and again, and again. For that, I want to give that a 12. The chicken was done very well. Usually our numbers are 10s. The chicken was delicious. The chicken was done very well. It was very awesome. Very delicious. Very tasty. The barbecue was delicious. The chicken was juicy, for sure. It was all white meat, so. But anyways, guys, I'm going to rate it. Actually, let's change it. I said 12. 20. There you go. 20. Alright, guys. So you got it. You got it. 20. From the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. Our numbers are usually 10s. But today, Pizza, California, you got a 20. I'm on the California, guys. We're still in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So you got a 20 from us. From me. Usually we get a 10. Alright, guys. So this has been another food review on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. We love you all. Please share, subscribe, and comment, and like. The like up, not that like. That like. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that share button. We'll catch you later. Wait till you see what we got coming your way next. Love you all. Take care.
Hey. Nah, well, hold up now. Alright, listen. Now, I'm gonna fix this, alright? It's alright. I'm gonna take care of this. Look, I just get these late night feelings, and I just gotta call you, you know what I'm saying? But let me talk about it, come on. Reminiscing on conversations I having with you. We was talking about past relations and having issues. And it's funny how we set the boat and hit the show. The CV pulling on us like a tug of war. Last week I got a call from your distant cousin. She was asking about you and why we always fussing. I told her things better if they left alone. 3 o'clock in the morning, we talking on the phone. I said I was tired so I can have some peace. Resisting from fighting so I just had to cease. And as I hung up, I started thinking about you. Feeling lost in myself, here I am without you. It's crazy how feelings can get the best of ya. Cause my brain is the carrier, hustle messenger. Laying in bed, steady wishing and steady missing. It's all in my head and my mind be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know, reminiscing, reminiscing, yeah, something missing, reminiscing, 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 something missing, yeah. Turn on my TV, all I see is loving couples. Thinking it's me and you, blinking I'm seeing doubles. Never felt this way before. All the feelings in my head, but they still come aboard. My mind's playing tricks and I ain't talking cereal. It's serious, but it feels just like a miracle. Sometimes I wonder if you ever feel the same. I start to call, but somehow I just refrain. Cause if I call, then I have to have a reason. It's 4 AM and I know you're probably sleeping. I press the numbers inside of my telephone screen. Is this real or is this another wet dream? I don't wanna wake you, so I left a message. Dear princess, from my lust adolescence, I know you probably feeling something is missing. 4 AM, I'm still reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing.